Hello students, welcome to RPS classes. If you are watching this video on Facebook, please like our Facebook page. If you are watching this video on YouTube, then subscribe our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to solve question number 13 of exercise 4.6 of class 12th. In previous video, we have solved question number 1 to 12. If you are facing any problem in solving those questions, then you can go to our YouTube video by clicking the link we have given in description. Let's see how we can solve these equations. Students, we have to solve these equations by matrix method. Let's see how can it be possible. At first we have to write matrix A. What is matrix A? The matrix consists of coefficients of given variables, which is 2, 3, 3, 1, minus 2, 1, 3, minus 1, minus 2. This is 2, coefficient of y 3, coefficient of z 3, coefficient of x 1, coefficient of y minus 2, coefficient of z 1, coefficient of x 3, coefficient of y minus 1, coefficient of z minus 2. Matrix X, x, y, z, the variables. Matrix B, 5, minus 4, 3. Now, at first we have to find determinant A. Let's see how can we find determinant of A. Expanding along C1. 2, first row, first column, first row, first column. 2 to the 4 plus 1, 1 1 ja 1, minus 1 and minus 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 plus 1 negative, because this is the element of row second, column first, second row first column. 2 plus 1, 3. Second row height and first column height. 3 to ja 6, minus 6, 3 1 ja 3, minus 3, minus plus 3, 3. Third row and first column. 3 1 ja 3, plus 3 2 ja 6. This gives 4 plus 1, 5, 5 to ja 10, minus 3, minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, plus 3, 9 3 ja 27, 30 plus 10, 40. Determinant of A is 40. Since determinant of A is not equal to 0, it means what? It means A inverse exists. Now we have to find adjoint of matrix A. Students, to find adjoint of matrix A, we have to find cofactor. Cofactors A11. What is A11? First row, first column, we have to hide first row first column, 2 to the 4, minus 1 is plus 4 plus 1 5. It is positive because 1 1 2 1 2 first row and first column. We have to hide first row and first column. First row second column, first row and second column, minus 2 and minus 3, minus 5, and since this is the place of negative, this becomes positive. A13 first row and third column, we have to hide first row and third column, this gives minus 1 plus 6 5 positive 5, add 2 1, second row first column, we have to hide second row first column. If we hide second row first column, we have minus 6 plus 3, this is minus 3, second row second column, we have to hide second row second column, minus 4, minus 9, this is minus 13, second row second column, minus 4, minus 9, minus 13, A23 second row third column, minus 2, minus 9, minus 11, but this is the place of negative sign, this makes it 11 positive. Now A31 third row first column, this is 3 1 is 3, 2 3 is 6, minus 6 minus plus 9 positive 9, A32, this is third row second column, 2 minus 3 minus 1, third row second column, 2 minus 3 minus 1, this is negative place, it becomes positive 1. Now A33, what is our A33? Third row third column, minus 4 and minus 3 minus 7, this is minus 7. Student, I have to fill the ink. Then it is our cofactors, students. Here is some suspicion. Second row first column, 3 2 is 6, minus 6 plus 3 minus 3, 2 plus 1 3, this is the place of negative positive here, and I think that's all right. Now we have to find adjoint of matrix A. Students, you know how can we find adjoint of matrix A? To find adjoint of matrix A, we have to transpose the cofactors. A digit A. First row becomes first column, 5 5 5, 3 minus 13 11, 9 1 minus 7. Now A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A multiplied by adjoint of matrix A. Here what is determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to 40. Adjoint, what is adjoint of A? 5, 5, 5, 3 minus 13, 11, 9, 1 minus 7. Now we have to find, this is our A inverse. What? This is our A inverse. Now we have to find X matrix. We know that matrix X is equal to A inverse multiplied by matrix B. Here, what is X matrix? X matrix is consisting of variables X, Y, Z is equal to A inverse. What is A inverse? 1 upon 40. 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, 1, 5, 11 minus 7. What is matrix B? Matrix B is 5 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 4, 3. This is 40, student, not 14. Here, first row and only column. 5 5 is 25, 4 3 is 12, 9 3 is 27. Now 5 5 is 25, 13 4 is 52, minus minus plus, 3 1 is 3, 5 5 is 25, 11 4 is 44, minus 44, minus 21, 7 3 is 21. X, Y, Z implies that. Here student, I have to erase this much areas because sorry, here X, Y, Z is equal to 1 upon 40. Now this is 25 minus 12 and 27 becomes 40. 25, 52, 3. 3 to 5, 5, 10, 7, 8, 80. Here 21 and 44. This is 65. 65 minus 25 minus 40. Sorry students, it's again mistake. 40. Now X implies that X, Y, Z is equal to 40 into 140, 1, 80 upon 40, 2, minus 40 upon 40, minus 1. This means X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to minus 1. This is our answer students. Then here we see how can we solve question number 13. Now we will see how can we solve question number 14. Students, this is our question number 14. Now we will solve question number 14. Solution: matrix A 1 minus 1 2 3 4 minus 5 2 minus 1 3. This is matrix A. Matrix X, X Y Z, X Y Z. Matrix B 7 minus 5 12. What we have to find? We have to find determinant of A. How can we find it? By expanding along what? R1. This is 1. First row, first column, first row, first column. 4 3 is 12. Minus 5. Minus minus plus. First row, second column. 1. First row, second column. 3 3 is 9. 5 2 is 10. Plus 10 plus 2, first row, third column, minus 3, minus 6. Now check it once again. 1, first row, first column. 4 3 is 12. 5 1 is 5, minus 5, that's right. Minus minus plus 1. First row, second column. 3 3 is 9. 5 2 is 10. Minus 10, minus minus plus 10. Yes. Plus 2. First row, third column. Minus 3, minus 6, minus 9. This is 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 7 1 is 7. 19 minus 9 to the minus 18. This is 8. So determinant, what is our determinant, student? Our determinant is 8. A determinant of A is not equal to 0. This means A inverse exists. If A inverse is exist, we have to find cofactor A11. What is our A11? First row, first column. 4 3 is 12. Minus 5, 7. Positive place. A12, A12. What is the A12? Row first and column second. First row, second column height. Then this is first row, second column. 3 3 is 9. 5 2 is 10. Plus 10, 19. Minus 19 because of 3. 1 and 2, 3. We have to see it again. First row, second column. First row, second column. 3 3 is 9. And 5 2 is 10. 19, not 90. 19. First row, second column. 3 3 is 9. 5 2 is 10. 19. A13. What is A13? First row, third column. First row, third column. Minus 3. Minus 6. Minus 9. This is minus 9. A21. What is 21? Second row, first column. Minus 3. Plus 2. Minus 1. Negative place. Plus 1. A22. What is our A22? Second row, second column. Second row, second column. 3. Minus 2. 3 1 is 3. Minus 2. 1 1 8 2 3 8 2 3. What is our 8 2 3? Second row third column, second row third column, minus 1 plus 2. What is minus 1 plus 2? 1, then 1, but 2 and 3 is 5. This becomes negative. A 3 1. What is A 3 1? Third row first column, third row first column, 5 minus 4 to the 8, minus 3. What is minus 3? Minus 3 is negative, minus 3. A 3 2. Third row second column, third row second column, minus 5, minus 6, minus 11, 3 to 5, negative place, negative negative positive. What is third row second column, minus 5, minus 6, minus 11. Okay, A 3 3. Third row third column, third row third column, third row third column, 4 plus 3 7 7. Here student, I have suspicion about A13. Let's see once again A13. What is A13? First row and third column, first row and third column, minus 3, 4 to that, minus 8. This is minus 11, minus, oh sorry, this is minus 11. Now adjoint of matrix A. A is A. This is 7 minus 19 minus 11, 1 1 minus 1 minus 3, 11 7. Now we know A inverse is equal to what? 1 upon determinant of A multiplied by adjoint of matrix A. What is our determinant of A? Determinant of A is equal to 8. Adjoint A 7 1 minus 3 minus 19 1 11 minus 11 minus 1 7. What? This is our A inverse. This is our A inverse, and X is equal to what? A inverse B. What is our A matrix? A matrix is X Y Z, X Y and Z. A inverse 1 upon 8, 7 1 minus 3 minus 19 minus 1 11 minus 11 minus 1 7. What is our matrix B? Here is matrix B. This is matrix B. 7 minus 5 12. This is matrix B. Now 1 upon 8, 7 7 ja 49. First row and only column, 7 7 ja 49. Minus 5, 12 3 ja 36. 19 7 ja 133 minus plus 5 132. This is 77 minus 77 plus 5 and 84. Here student, I am erasing this place. After cleaning the board, we will write here x, y, z 1 upon 8 and 36 5 minus 41 49 8, this is 8 133 132 minus 1 4 77 and 84, this is 7 and 5 12. This is student, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 upon 2 and z is equal to 12 upon 8, यानी कि what is 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. Here, this is our answer. Let's see what our textbook says. Exercise 4.6, question number 14. X is equal to 2, here 1. Y is equal to 1 upon 2, here is 1. Z is equal to 3 by 2 and the book says 3. What's gone wrong, students? If we want root 2, that's 16 or 4. Next then we have to check determinant. What is our determinant? For checking determinant, we have to see the question. What the question say? 4.6. 4.6. Question number 14. 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 5, 2, minus 1 and 3. This is our A matrix and we are checking the determinant. Expanding along R1, if 1, first row, first column, 4 3 is 12, minus 5, it's okay, minus plus 1, first row, second column, 3 3 is 9, 5 2 is 10, plus 10, 19, okay, first row, third column, positive 2, yes, minus 3, 4 2 is 8, oh sorry, student, look here, this is minus 8, this is minus of 8, 3 minus 8, this is 11, minus of 11, this means 11 2 is 22, minus 22, this means 26 minus 22 is 4. Now this becomes 4 and 4, this is 4 and what is x? 8 upon 4 is equal to 2, 4 upon 4 is equal to 1, 12 upon 4 is equal to 3. This is our answer. Then students, this is the minor mistake of plus minus. You are the student of class 12th, you can check yourself these minor mistakes. If you are watching our video in YouTube, then subscribe our channel. If you are watching on Facebook, please like our Facebook page. Till then, stay safe, keep watching our channel. Goodbye.